In this video, you'll learn how to build a website with Bluehost from scratch using their simple setup tools. Whether you're creating a blog, a business site, or a personal portfolio, we'll go through the basic process together so you know exactly what to expect and what to click on. First, after you've logged into your Bluehost account, you'll land on your main dashboard. This is your home base for everything related to your hosting and your websites. On this dashboard, look for the option that lets you add a new site. It's usually labeled something like Add Site or Create Site and is easy to spot. Go ahead and click that. When you click Add Site, Bluehost will give you a few choices. Typically, you'll see options like setting up a standard WordPress site, moving or transferring an existing site from somewhere else, or sometimes other tools depending on your plan. The key decision here is whether you're starting fresh or bringing in a website you already have. If you're building a brand new site, choose the WordPress option. WordPress is one of the most popular website platforms, and Bluehost is optimized to work with it. This path is best if you don't already have a site hosted somewhere else. Selecting WordPress tells Bluehost you want it to install and set up WordPress for you automatically. If instead you already have a website on another host and want to move it to Bluehost, look for an option like Transfer In or Migrate Site. Choosing this will start a different process focused on moving your existing content. For this walkthrough, though, we'll stick with creating a new WordPress site, since that's what most people will be doing. After you choose the WordPress option, Bluehost will launch its setup wizard. Think of this wizard as a guided assistant that walks you through the key choices step by step without needing any technical expertise. You'll be asked for some basic information about your site, like the site name and a tagline or short description. Don't overthink this part. You can always change it later inside WordPress. Next, the wizard may ask you about the type of site you're creating, such as a blog, an online store, a portfolio, or a business website. This helps Bluehost suggest a starting layout, useful plugins, and features that match what you're trying to build. Answer these prompts as accurately as you can so the recommended setup fits your goals. You'll also be able to select a domain where your site will live. If you've already connected or registered a domain with Bluehost, you can pick it from the list. If you don't have one yet, many accounts include at least one domain credit, or you can use a temporary domain while you get things ready. The wizard will guide you through this choice and make sure your site is connected to the right address. Once those details are filled in, the wizard will finalize the setup. Behind the scenes, Bluehost installs WordPress, applies the recommended settings, adds any starter plugins or themes you chose, and connects everything to your hosting account. When it finishes, you'll see a confirmation that your site has been created, along with a link to log into your new WordPress dashboard. From there, you can start customizing your site, choosing a theme, adding pages, writing posts, and adjusting your settings. But the core process is as simple as clicking Add Site, choosing between starting a new WordPress site or transferring an existing one, and then following the prompts in the Bluehost setup wizard.